Why didn't my car start again after only driving it for 10 minutes following a jump start? This is one of those universal experiences that humbles you and leaves you muttering under your breath. Here's the deal with a battery. It's like a bank account, but instead of cash, it stores electrical current. When your car consumes more current than the alternator, think of it as your job, the constant source of income, can replace, the battery, bank account, balance, drops. Imagine you've been unemployed, dead battery, and someone gives you some cash to get by on day one, a jump start. Now, wouldn't it be silly to think that this little bit of help would sustain you without a consistent income, alternator charging the battery? You need to keep working, driving, to ensure a steady flow of money, electricity, to cover your expenses, car's electrical needs. And just driving for 10 minutes? That's like working one day and then quitting. It's barely enough to get by. Most car batteries need a good 20-30 minutes to recharge adequately after being completely dead. Your alternator isn't a miracle worker, and it needs time to do its job properly. Also, consider the health of your battery. If it's on the edge of retirement age, no amount of jump starts and short drives will keep it going in the long run. It may simply be time to replace it. I know, no one wants to spend money on car maintenance, but sometimes it's necessary. And then there are parasitic drains, like leaving your lights on without realizing it. These drains, however small, will constantly nibble at your battery's health. It's like having subscription services tapping your bank account, even when you're not using them. We've all been there. Lastly, let's not forget the temperamental nature of alternators. If your alternator is showing signs of rebellion and not providing enough charge, it won't matter how long you drive. Your battery won't be getting what it needs. In short, you either didn't drive long enough, your battery is begging for retirement, you've got a power leach you don't know about, or your alternator has joined the French resistance and isn't cooperating. A combination of these factors could be at play too. For now, you may need another jump start, but consider heading straight to a mechanic after. And maybe while you're waiting for that jump, look around and appreciate where you're stuck. Portland has some beautiful scenery, even from a parking lot.